welcome back to my channel. And a minute ago I built this track, which if you want to see and if you like this track, comment down below if you want me to build another track and also make a tutorial on this track. Okay, let's just go into it. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm in this room. It's my cousin. I'm at my mum's. So this isn't So what I was going to plan to do next video, I'm going to do a tour of this house. So if you like that as well, please subscribe. So here's the track. So here's the first part. And also I have some leftovers, and here's the track. Oh, so now. So did you like that track? If you did, just comment down below I liked it. Bye and subscribe.